Welcome to the CIC iSign console. The next thing we're going to show you is the signing ceremony. As the system processes the request, the transaction will be sent to the signer to complete their signing ceremony. So let's jump right into the signing. Clients will receive an email link. The email link will be their way of getting into the system to electronically sign their documents. We do offer another option for clients to sign face-to-face with their agents. The agents simply find the transaction and select the signing portal. The signing portal will open, just as it says, a portal in which they can initiate the signing ceremony between the clients. So I can go ahead and sign from right here. This link and the link in the email are exactly the same. So the signing ceremony is not altered depending on how they are going to be signing. So I'm going to go ahead and sign from the portal right now so I can show you what that looks like. Since there's no authentication, the first thing that will appear is your consent statement. Now when you hit continue, what you're going to be brought into is what we officially call the signing ceremony. Here's a list of documents you need to sign, and we can hit review and sign to be brought into do just that. Review the documents, fill out any data that we've set to be captured, and then sign it. So you notice here are my forms fields. Remember we set this particular field as pre-filled, and down here we set these fields as pre-filled but locked down. So you notice the difference right away. I can't edit this field, but I can edit this one. The client will enter this data and move on to the next field. This field must be between 6 to 9 characters. So you see how my error message does appear. So I can fix this. Continue to scroll down, finish filling the form, fill out the necessary data. Now notice we did set up Social Security number with a validation. We also set up you could not enter the taxpayer ID if you entered the Social Security number. Here's my validation that I need to enter in the correct format. And now you notice my taxpayer ID has disappeared. So if you want a complex form that the clients need to fill out completely, then we can do that. If you want only to gather a signature, then you simply add a signature tag. This tool allows you to create a very complex legal document or a very simple document that you need to gather a signature. We set this first signature up as a script click graph, and now when I hit next, I have actually completed that signing ceremony and I can submit my form and I'm done as that particular signer. Now let's complete the signing for the second client. Here is the client's email. Again, they can click on their pickup link, or if the agent wants to do face-to-face signing, they can use the signing portal. In this case, we're going to use the email link. First thing is we set this person up to have an authentication via passcode. So I need to make sure I can enter that information. That is not required. It was done during setup. The rest of the process is going to be the same. My signing ceremony is virtually unchanged. I need to sign this particular form, so I'm going to hit review and sign and be taken through the process. I cannot skip something that was set up as required. So here you notice the fields that I've pre-filled are already locked down because the previous signer completed it and submitted that data. So this signer, all they need to do is click to sign their form. So we're going to click sign. And remember, we did also set up an affirmation. This is a great tool to validate that the client did see or acknowledges that they understand something that they're signing off on. They have to accept before they can apply their signature. This is also noted in the audit trail. So I'm going to click accept, and now I can apply my signature to the form. Again, we used this font script signature, so that is applied here. I also added another signature, and it's going to apply here. So anywhere I add a signature field assigned to that person, that is where it's going to appear in the form. Now when I click next, again I have to submit my form and my process is finished. The agent will know exactly when the client completes this process. They're going to know that in several ways. One, the agent can receive email notifications of the process. Here's an email notification letting me know that everything's finished. But they can use their dashboard to see what transactions have been completed, and they can look at the status from here. Please refer to the next video for more tutorials. For a personalized demo, please contact any of the below agents. Please refer to the next video for more details on the iSign dashboard and statusing.